I have to say I'm slightly shitting myself. This isn't predicted. Yeah, it's supposed to go to 25 knots, not 48.
2 days after we got married, Carla suggested we sell everything, buy a boat and set sail. A year later we did just that. In the Canaries we picked up our naked sailor, Dobby. This is our adventure. Our journey this week is going to take us from Cascais, just outside Lisbon, down to Faro on the Algarve coast. We decided to coast hop along this 200 nautical mile passage. We will call in at Setubal and Sins on the west coast, Baleeira, Alvor and Vilamoura on the Algarve coast, before arriving in Faro.
Absolutely stunning. It's the best beach I've seen since I can't even remember. It's a lovely beach. Do you know it was a bit sketchy, the whole route?
I went on a building site. Simon was like, I'm not doing this.
Complete waste of time. As we had no more than a week to get to Faro on the Algarve coast of Portugal, we had to keep moving along. We were due to meet Carla's girls there shortly. After 3 days of coast hopping, we had arrived in the estuary at Alvor, where we would stay for a couple of nights. Hey! Not like the whole Honda days?
Always works.
Always goes. Alvor's history goes back beyond Roman times. It had a formidable fortress which was destroyed in an earthquake in the 18th century. With the construction of the breakwater in the 1990s, this opened up the estuary to the cruising yachtsmen.
So always a stress to lock the dinghy, isn't it? Where to leave it,
Yeah.
It's gonna be
It is.
bumpy somewhere.
Yep. But anyway. As the wind picks up, it's absolutely incredible to see the kite surfers out here. They actually just flop this estuary, which apparently is one of the best kite surfing spots in the whole of Portugal.
So we're just making our way along the coast of the Algarve to Vilamoura, and it's around about 20 something miles ahead of us. And when we get there, it'll be 23 months since we left there to start our circumnavigation of the Atlantic, or the Great Atlantic Circle as it's called. And I'm just wondering and pondering on what our feelings are.
I think we should be very proud of ourselves because it is a great achievement.
Yeah.
Yeah. And when we left here 2 years ago, we had the worst trip of our journey.
Yeah. I have to sound slightly shitting myself. This isn't predicted. Yeah, it's supposed to go to 25 knots, not 48. Everybody's been telling me we're going to have a nice easy sail. Dear.
How good we chose the weather, really.
Yeah, I agree.
We had a hell of a journey, it was.
Down to Lanzarote.
Down to Lanzarote. Yeah.
You could have given up at that point, couldn't we, really?
Yeah.
It was so bad.
But we didn't.
No.
We didn't.
No.
Yeah.
No.
And we had many other bumps on the way.
Yeah.
But I think we should be very proud of ourselves of everything we achieved.
And what was your highlight?
It has to be those rockets, isn't it?
Yeah, it has.
We always end up in those rockets when we
Yeah.
think the best part of our journey. And yeah, it was amazing being there. Yes. The regret is not staying there longer.
Yeah, absolutely. I would agree. Hello, Vilamoura. This is Yacht Ocean Fox. We're just coming in through the breakwater, and we'd like a berth if possible, please, over.
That's okay, you must stop at the waiting pontoon and then you come to reception office with the documents of the boat and the passports from everybody on board. Over.
Come on, Simon, tell me about your frustration.
Look at this. This is all off the rubber strip along the side of the finger pontoons. And yesterday with the wind blowing, it was rubbing against the, pushing the boat against it, and it got absolutely filthy, and it's gone on the hull,
Yeah,
which is even worse.
which you cleaned not long ago.
Which I cleaned not long ago.
In the Azores, wasn't it?
Yep. So I've used most of this tin of acetone to clean it all off. It's really awful.
It's not a nice job, is it?
No. And it's something you just do without.
Yeah. I remember this entrance 2 years ago, wasn't
Yeah.
it? I got so scared.
Yeah, you were screaming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But wasn't any better today because we were doing 11, 12 knots?
Nearly 12 knots. Oh, we had the tide with us today, which was good.
Yeah.
But it's pretty strong.
So strong current and yeah, it's not good. You feel the boat going sideways, isn't it?
Yeah.
My daughters are coming today, so we went into the marina because they're coming at night, late at night, 11 o'clock. So we didn't want to get into the dinghy with them at their time of night, so 20 minutes. everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video where we go down the coast, finally arrive in the Algarve.
We do. Yeah, we're in Cascais, which is close to Lisbon, and we just kind of dipped around the corner first of all to Singe. Which was absolutely beautiful, and we would have liked to have stayed there for a week, but we couldn't. That was a shame.
We were under pressure.
And after that point, the fog cleared up because we'd had a lot of fog all the way down the coast. But after that, it did actually just disappear, and we were good, weren't we? After
that? Yeah.
And then the next stop we just did, the next 2 stops we just did a night stop. We didn't go anywhere or do anything particularly, did we?
No.
So really, the next big place we got to was
the fly is liking you.
Alvor. And we absolutely loved Alvor.
Yes, it's beautiful. It is stunningly beautiful, isn't it?
It is. Because it all dries out and you've got beautiful sandbanks and things like that.
And there's a lot to do there.
There's a lot to do there. We did a bit of shellfishing, didn't we, the other day?
Yes, we did.
Which is all rather fun. And from there we went on to Vilamoura, as you saw.
Yeah, which was quite emotional to arrive in Vilamoura, where we left nearly 2 years ago. So we complete our Great Atlantic Circle.
Extended to take in.
Extended, yes.
Panama.
And all the way to Mexico.
So that was really the end of the big trip to circumnavigate the Atlantic, which was rather fun, really. But we are absolutely.
We didn't finish. No, we haven't. We're not going anywhere.
No.
We're staying afloat.
You haven't got rid of us yet.
No, not yet.
But it was all rather. The Algarve is absolutely stunning.
It's beautiful. It is beautiful. We have been exploring all the beaches and everywhere. The coast is not too long, so it's good because we can explore everything.
You can
very
go
well.
up and down quite easily. And there's lots of places to go. So the girls arrived.
And then my daughters arrived to spend a week with us.
So we'll show you next week. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for following us. If you can please click on the subscribe button and on the notify bell, that would be great. Thank you very much.
Bye for now.
Bye.